हेलो दोस्तों। कल की वीडियो में मैंने आर्टिकल 1 से आर्टिकल 147 तक कवर किया था। आज मैं आर्टिकल 148 से 395 आर्टिकल तक मैं कंप्लीट करूँगा। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। आर्टिकल 148 चैप्टर 5 कंट्रोलर एंड ऑडिटर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया। आर्टिकल 148 कंट्रोलर एंड ऑडिटर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया का उल्लेख है। आर्टिकल 149 ड्यूटीज एंड पावर ऑफ द कंट्रोलर एंड ऑडिटर जनरल। आर्टिकल 150 फ्रॉम ऑफ अकाउंट ऑफ द यूनियन एंड ऑफ द स्टेट। 151 ऑडिट रिपोर्ट्स पार्ट 6 द स्टेट। चैप्टर 1 जनरल। 152 डिफिनेशन। चैप्टर 2 द एग्जीक्यूटिव गवर्नर। 153 गवर्नर ऑफ द स्टेट। आर्टिकल 154 एग्जीक्यूटिव पावर ऑफ द स्टेट। आर्टिकल 155 अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ गवर्नर। आर्टिकल 156 टर्म ऑफ ऑफिस ऑफ गवर्नर। आर्टिकल 157 क्वालिफिकेशन फॉर अपॉइंटमेंट एज गवर्नर। आर्टिकल 158 कंडीशन ऑफ गवर्नर ऑफिस। आर्टिकल 159 ओथ और अफर्मेशन बाय द गवर्नर। आर्टिकल 160 डिस्चार्ज ऑफ द फंक्शन ऑफ द गवर्नर इन सर्टन कंटीजेंसीज। आर्टिकल 161 पावर ऑफ गवर्नर टू ग्रांट पार्डन etc एंड सस्पेंड रेमिट टू कम्यूट सेंटेंसेस इन सर्टन केसेस। आर्टिकल 162 एक्सटेंड टू एग्जीक्यूटिव पावर ऑफ स्टेट। काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर। आर्टिकल 163 काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर टू एड एंड एडवाइज गवर्नर। आर्टिकल 164 अदर प्रोविजन एज टू मिनिस्टर द एडवोकेट जनरल फॉर द स्टेट। आर्टिकल 165 एडवोकेट जनरल फॉर द स्टेट कंडक्ट ऑफ गवर्नमेंट बिजनेस। आर्टिकल 166 कंडक्ट ऑफ बिजनेस ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ द स्टेट। आर्टिकल 167 ड्यूटीज ऑफ चीफ मिनिस्टर एज रिस्पेक्ट द फ्रंसिंग ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टू गवर्नर etc। चैप्टर 3 द स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर। आर्टिकल 168 Constitution of Legislature in State। Article 169 Abolition or creation of Legislative Council in State। Article 170 Composition of the Legislative Assembly। Article 171 Composition of the Legislative Council। Article 172 Duration of State Legislature। Article 173 Qualification of membership of the State Legislature। Article 174 Session of the State Legislature Propagation and Dissolution। Article 175 Right to Governor to address and send message to the House or Houses। Article 176 Special Address by the Governor। Article 177 Right of Minister and Advocate General as respect as the Houses officer of the State Legislature। आर्टिकल 178 द स्पीकर एंड डिप्टी स्पीकर ऑफ द लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली। आर्टिकल 179 वेकेशन एंड रेजिग्नेशन ऑफ एंड रिमूवल फ्रॉम द ऑफिस ऑफ स्पीकर एंड डिप्टी स्पीकर। आर्टिकल 180 पावर ऑफ द डिप्टी स्पीकर और अदर पर्सन टू परफॉर्म द ड्यूटीज ऑफ द ऑफिस ऑफ और टू एक्ट एज स्पीकर। आर्टिकल 121 द स्पीकर और द ड्यूटी स्पीकर नॉट टू प्रिसाइड वाइल ए रिसोल्यूशन फॉर दिस रिमूवल फ्रॉम ऑफिस इज अंडर कंसिडरेशन। आर्टिकल 182 द चेयरमैन एंड डिप्टी चेयरमैन ऑफ द लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल। आर्टिकल 183 वेकेशन एंड रेजिग्नेशन ऑफ एंड रिमूवल फ्रॉम the office of chairman and deputy chairman। आर्टिकल 184 पावर ऑफ द डिप्टी चेयरमैन और अदर पर्सन टू परफॉर्म द ड्यूटीज ऑफ ऑफिस or to act as chairman. Article 185, the chairman or the deputy chairman not to preside while resolution for this removal from office in under consideration. Article 186, salaries and allowance of the speaker and deputy speaker and the chairman and deputy chairman. Article 187, secretariat of state legislature, conduct of business. Article 188, oath or affirmation by members. Article 189, voting in house power of houses to act notwithstanding vacancy and quorum. Disqualification of members. Article 190, vacation of seat. Article 191, disqualification of for membership. Article 192, decision on question as to disqualification of members. Article 193, penalty for sitting and voting before making oath affirmation under Article 188 or when not qualify or when disqualify. Power of privilege and immunities of state legislature and their members. Article 194, power, privilege, etc. of the House of Legislature and of the members and community thereof. Article 195, salaries and allowance of members. Legislative procedure. Article 196, provision as to introduction and passing of bill. Article 197, restriction on power of Legislative Council as to bill other than money bill. Article 198, special procedure in respect of money bills. Article 199, definition of money bills. Article 200, assent to bills. 201, bill reserved for consideration. Procedure in financial matters. Article 202, annual financial statement. Article 203, procedure in legislature with respect to estimate. Article 204, appropriation bill. Article 205, supplementary additional to excess grant. Article 206, votes on account, votes of credit and exceptional grant. Article 207, special provision as to financial bills. Procedure generally. Article 208, rules of procedure. Article 209, regulation of law procedure in the legislature of the state in relation to financial business. Article 210, language to be used in legislature. Article 211, restriction on discussion in the legislature. Article 212, court not to inquire into proceeding of the legislature. Chapter 4, legislative power of the governor. Article 213, power of governor to promulgate ordinance during recesses of legislature. Chapter 5, the High Court in the state. Article 214, High Court for state. 215, Article 215, High Court to be court of records. Article 216, Constitution of High Court. Article 217, appointment and condition of the office of a judge of a high court. Article 218, application of certain provision relating to Supreme Court to high courts. Article 219, oath and affirmation by judge of high court. Article 220, restriction on practice after being a permanent judge. Article 221, salaries etc. of judge. Article 222, transfer of a judge from one high court to another high court. Article 223, appointment of acting chief justice. Article 224, appointment of additional and acting judge. Article 224A, appointment of retired judge at sitting of high court. Article 225, judication of existing high court. Article 226, power of high court to issue certain writs. Article 226A, omitted. Article 227, power of superintendence over all courts by the High Court. Article 228, transfer to certain cases to High Court. Article 228A, omitted. Article 229, officer and servant and the expenses of High Court. Article 230, extension of jurisdiction of High Court to Union Territories. Article 231 establishment of a common high court from two or more states. Chapter 6 subordinate court. Article 233 appointment of district judge. Article 233 A validation of appointment of a judgment etc delivered by certain district judge. Article 234 recruitment of person other than district judge of the judicial service. Article 235 control over subordinate court. Article 236 interpretation. 237 application of the provision of this chapter to certain class or classes of magistrates. Article Part 7 the state in Part B of the first schedule. Article 238 omitted. Part 8 the Union Territories. Article 239 administration of Union Territories. Article 239 A creation of a local legislature of council minister both of certain union territories. Article 239 A special provision with respect to Delhi. Article 239 AB provision in case of failure of a constitutional machinery. Article 239 B power of administrator of promulgate ordinance during recess of legislature. Article 240 power of president to make regulation for certain union territories. Article 241 High Court for union territories. Article 242 omitted. Part 9 the Panchayat. Article 243 definition. 243 A Gram Sabha. 243 B Constitution of Panchayat. Article 243 C composition of Panchayat. 243 D reservation of seat. Article 243 E duration of Panchayat. 243 F disqualification of for membership. Article 243 G power authority and responsibility of Panchayat. Article 243 H power to impose taxes by and fund of the Panchayat. Article 243 I constitution to finance commission to review financial position. Article 243 J audit of account of Panchayat. Article 243 K election to the Panchayat. 243 L application to union territories. 243 M part not to apply to certain areas. 243 N continuance of existing law in Panchayat. Article 243 O bar to interference by court in electoral matters. Part 9A. Article 243 P definition. 243 Q constitution of municipalities. 243 R composition of municipalities. 243 S constitution and composition of ward and communities. 243 T reservation of seat. 243 U duration of municipality. 243 V disqualification for membership. 243 W power authority and responsibility of municipality. 243 X power to impose taxes by and funds of the municipality. 243 Y finance commission. 243 Z audit of account municipality. 243 ZA election of the municipalities. 243 ZB application to union territories. 243 ZC part not to apply to certain area. 243 ZD committee for district planning. 243 ZE committee for metropolitan planning. Article 243 ZF continuance of existing law and municipalities. Article 243 ZG bar to interference by court in electoral matters. Part 9B the कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी। आर्टिकल 243 जेड एच डेफिनेशन। आर्टिकल 243 जेड आई इनक्रप्शन ऑफ कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी। आर्टिकल 243 जेड जे नंबर एंड टर्म ऑफ मेंबर्स ऑफ बोर्ड एंड इट्स ऑफिस बियर्स। आर्टिकल 243 जेड के इलेक्शन ऑफ मेंबर्स ऑफ बोर्ड। आर्टिकल 243 जेड एल सुप्रेशन एंड सस्पेंशन ऑफ बोर्ड एंड इंतरिम मैनेजमेंट। आर्टिकल 243 जेड एम ऑडिट एंड अकाउंट ऑफ कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी। आर्टिकल 243 जेड एन convening of general body meeting। आर्टिकल 243 जेड ओ राइट ऑफ मेंबर टू गेट इंफॉर्मेशन। आर्टिकल 243 जेड एफ रिटर्न्स। 243 जेड क्यू ऑफेंस एंड पेनल्टी। 243 जेड आर एप्लीकेशन टू मल्टी स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी। 243 जेड एस एप्लीकेशन टू यूनियन टेरिटरीज। 243 जेड टी कंटिन्यूएंस ऑफ एग्जिस्टिंग लॉ। पार्ट 10 द शेड्यूल एंड ट्रेवल्स एरिया। पार्ट 10 द शेड्यूल ट्रेवल्स एरिया। आर्टिकल 244 एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ शेड्यूल एरियाज एंड ट्रेवल्स एरिया। आर्टिकल 244 ए फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एन ऑटोनोमस स्टेट कंप्रेसिंग certain travels area in Assam and certain of local legislature of council of minister of both therefore. Part 9 Part 11 Relationship between the Union and its state। Chapter 1 Legislative relation। Article 245 Extent of law made by Parliament by the legislature of state। आर्टिकल 246 सब्जेक्ट मैटर बाय लॉ मेड बाय पार्लियामेंट एंड बाय द लेजिस्लेचर ऑफ स्टेट। आर्टिकल 247 पावर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट टू प्रोवाइड फॉर द एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ सर्टन एडिशनल कोर्ट। आर्टिकल 248 रेसिड्यूरी पावर ऑफ लेजिस्लेशन। आर्टिकल 249 पावर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट टू लेजिस्लेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू मैटर इन द स्टेट लिस्ट इन नेशनल इंटरेस्ट। आर्टिकल 250 पावर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट to legislate with respect to any matter in state list of proclamation emergency is in operation। आर्टिकल 251 in consistency between laws made by parliament under article 249 and 250 and a law made by the legislature of state। आर्टिकल 252 power of parliament to legislate for two or more states by consent and adoption of such legislation by any other state। आर्टिकल 253 legislation by for giving effect to international agreement। आर्टिकल 254 inconsistency between law made by parliament and law made by legislature of state। आर्टिकल 255 requirement to recommendation and previous section to be regarded as matter of procedure only। Chapter 2 administrative relation। आर्टिकल 256 obligation of state and the union। आर्टिकल 257 control of the union over state in certain cases। आर्टिकल 257 ए omitted। आर्टिकल 258 power of the union of confer power etc on state in certain cases। आर्टिकल 258 ए power of the state on interest function to the union। 259 omitted। 260 आर्टिकल 260 jurisdiction of the union in relation to territories outside India। आर्टिकल 261 public act record and judicial proceeding। आर्टिकल 262 adjudication of dispute relating to water of interstate river on river valley coordination between state। आर्टिकल 263 provision with respect in any inter-state council। पार्ट 12 फाइनेंस प्रॉपर्टी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड सूट। चैप्टर 1 फाइनेंस। 264 आर्टिकल 264 इंटरप्रिटेशन। 265 टैक्स नॉट बी इम्पोज्ड सेव बाय अथॉरिटी बाय लॉ। आर्टिकल 266 कंसोलिडेटेड फंड एंड पब्लिक अकाउंट ऑफ इंडिया and of the state. आर्टिकल 267 कंटीजेंसी फंड. आर्टिकल 268 ड्यूटीज levied by the union but collected and appropriated by the state. आर्टिकल 268 ए omitted. 269 tax levied and collected by the union and by assigned to the state. आर्टिकल 270 taxes levied and distributed between the union and the state. 271 surcharge on certain duties and taxes for purpose of the union. 272 omitted. 273 grant in lieu of export duty on jute and jute product. 274 prior recommendation to president required bill affecting taxes in which state are interested. आर्टिकल 275 ग्रांट फ्रॉम द यूनियन सर्टन स्टेट. आर्टिकल 276 टैक्सेस ऑन प्रोफेशन ट्रेड कॉलिंग एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट. आर्टिकल 277 सेविंग. आर्टिकल 278 ओमिटेड. आर्टिकल 279 कैलकुलेशन ऑफ नीड प्रोसीड ईटीसी. आर्टिकल 280 फाइनेंस कमीशन. आर्टिकल 281 रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ द फाइनेंस कमीशन. आर्टिकल 282 एक्सपेंडिचर डिफ्राइबल बाय द union or a state out of its revenue. आर्टिकल 283 custody etc consolidated funds contingency fund money credit to the public account. आर्टिकल 284 custody of suitors deposit and other money received by public servant and court. आर्टिकल 285 exemption of property of the union from the state taxation. आर्टिकल 286 restriction as to imposition of tax on the sale of purchase of goods. आर्टिकल 287 exemption from taxes on electricity. आर्टिकल 288 exemption from taxation by state in respect of water electricity in certain cases. आर्टिकल 279 आर्टिकल 289 exemption of property income of state from union taxation. आर्टिकल 290 adjustment in respect of certain expenses and pension. आर्टिकल 290 ए annual payment to certain देवास्वाम फंड. आर्टिकल 291 omitted. चैप्टर 2 borrowing. 292 borrowing by the government of India. आर्टिकल 293 borrowing by state. चैप्टर 3 property contract right liability obligation and suit. आर्टिकल 294 succession to property asset right liability and obligation in certain cases. आर्टिकल 295 succession in property asset right liability and obligation in other cases. आर्टिकल 296 property occurring by ecat of lapse and bona vacantia. आर्टिकल 297 thing of value within territorial waters and continental shelf and resources of exclusive economic zone to west with the union. आर्टिकल 298 power to carry on trade etc. आर्टिकल 299 contract 300 suit and proceeding. चैप्टर 4 right to property. 300 a person not to be deprived to property save by authority of law. पार्ट 13 ट्रेड कॉमर्स एंड इंटरकोर्स विद इन द टेरिटरी ऑफ इंडिया. आर्टिकल 301 फ्रीडम ऑफ ट्रेड कॉमर्स इन इंटरकोर्स. आर्टिकल 302 पावर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट टू इम्पोज रिस्ट्रिक्शन ऑन ट्रेड कॉमर्स एंड इंटरकोर्स. आर्टिकल 303 रिस्ट्रिक्शन ऑन लेजिस्लेटिव पावर ऑफ द यूनियन एंड इट्स स्टेट रिगार्ड टू ट्रेड एंड कॉमर्स. आर्टिकल 304 रिस्ट्रिक्शन ऑन ट्रेड कॉमर्स एंड इंटरकोर्स अमॉन्ग स्टेट. आर्टिकल 305 सेविंग ऑफ एग्जिस्टिंग लॉ एंड लॉ प्रोवाइडिंग फॉर स्टेट मोनोपोलीज. आर्टिकल 306 omitted. आर्टिकल 307 अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ अथॉरिटी फॉर कैरिंग आउट पर्पस टू. आर्टिकल 301 टू 304. पार्ट 14 सर्विस अंडर द यूनियन एंड द स्टेट. चैप्टर 1 सर्विस. आर्टिकल 308 इंटरप्रिटेशन. आर्टिकल 309 Requirement of condition of service person serving the union or state. Article 310. Tenure of office of person serving the union of state. Article 311. Dismi- Dismissal, removal and reduction in rank of person employed in civil capacity under the union of state. 312. All India service. Article 312 A. Power of Parliament to vary, revoke condition of service of office of certain service. Article 313. Transitional provision. Article 314 omitted. Chapter 2. Public Service Commission. Article 315 Public Service Commission for the Union and for the State. Article 316 Appointment and term of office of member. Article 317 Removal and suspension of member of a Public Service Commission. Article 318 Public to make regulation to condition of service member and staff on the of the commission. Article 319 Prohibition as to holding of office by members of commission on casing to be such members. Article 320 Function of Public Service Commission. Article 321 Power to extend function of Public Service Commission. Article 322 Expense of Public Service Commission. Article 323 Reports of Public Service Commission. Part 14A Tribunals. Article 323A Administrative Tribunals. Article 323B Tribunals for other matters. Part 15 Election. Article 324 Superintendence, direction and control of election to be vested in an election commission. Article 325 no person to be ineligible for inclusion in or claimed to be included in a special electoral roll on ground of religion, race, caste or sex. Article 326 Election to be House of the People and Legislative Assembly of State to be on the basis of adult suffrage. Article 327 Power of Parliament to make provision with respect to election to legislature. Article 328 Power of legislature of a state to make provision with respect to election to such legislature. Article 327 Bar to interference by court in electoral matters. Article 327 A omitted. Part 15 Part 16 Special provision relating to certain classes. Article 330 Reservation. Article 330 Reservation of seat for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes in the House of the People. Article 331 Representation of the Anglo-Indian community in the House of the People. Article 332 Reservation of seat of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes in Legislative Assembly of the state. Article 333 Representation of the Anglo-Indian community in the Legislative Assembly of the state. Article 334 Reservation of state special representation of caste of case after 70 years. Article 335 Claim of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes to service and post. Article 336 Special provision for Anglo-Indian community in certain service. Article 337 Special provision with respect to educational grant for the benefit of Anglo-Indian community. Article 338 National Commission for Scheduled Caste. 338 A National Commission for Scheduled Tribes. 338 B National Commission for Backward Classes. 339 Control of the Union over administration of scheduled area and welfare of scheduled tribes. Article 340 Appointment of a commission investigate the condition of backward classes. Article 341 Scheduled caste. Article 342 Scheduled tribes. Article 342 A socially and educationally backward classes. Article Part 17 Official language. Chapter 1 Language of the Union. Article 343 Official language of the Union. Article 344 Commission and Committee of Parliament on Official Language. Chapter 2 Regional Language. Article 345 Official Language or Language of a State. Article 346 Official Language for communication between one state and another, between a state and the Union. Article 347 Special provision relating to language spoken by a section of the population of a state. Chapter 3 Language of the Supreme Court and High Court. Article 348 Language to be used in Supreme Court, in High Court and for Act Bills etc. Article 349 Special procedure for enactment of certain law relating to language. Chapter 4 Special directives. Language to be used in representation for address of grievance. Article 350 Facility for instruction in mother tongue at primary stage. Article 350B Special officer for linguistic minorities. Article 351 Directive for development of the Hindi language. Part 18 Emergency provision. 352 Proclamation of emergency. 353 Effect of proclamation of emergency. 354 Application of provision relating to distribution of revenue while to proclamation emergency is in operation. Article 355 Duty of the Union to protest state against external aggression and internal disturbance. Article 300 Article 356 Provision in case of failure constitution machinery in state. Article 357 Exercise of legislative power and a proclamation issue under Article 356. Article 358 Suspension of provision of Article 19 during emergency. Article 359 Suspension of the enforcement of the right conferred by Part 3rd during emergency. Article 359A omitted. Article 360 Provision as to financial emergency. Part 19 Miscellaneous. Article 361 Protection of President and Governor and Raj Pramukh. Article 361A Protection of publication of proceeding of a Parliament and State Legislature. Article 361B Disqualification of appointment on remunerative political post. Article 362 omitted. Article 363 bar to interference by court by dispute arising out of certain territories agreement. Article 363A Recognition granted to rules of Indian state to case and privy purges and to be abolished. Article 364 Special provision as to major ports and aerodromes. Article 365 Effect to failure comply with to give effect direction given by the Union. Article 366 Definition. Article 367 Interpretation. Part 20 Part B Amendment of the Constitution. Article 368 Power of the Parliament to amend the Constitution and procedure therefore. Part 21 Temporary, Transitional and Special Provision. Article 369 Temporary power to Parliament to make law with respect to certain matters in the state list as if then they were matters in the concurrent list. Article 370 Temporary provision with respect to the state of Jammu Kashmir. Article 371 Special provision with respect to the state of Maharashtra and Gujarat. Article 371A Special provision with respect to the state of Nagaland. Article 371B Special provision with respect to the state of Assam. आर्टिकल 371C स्पेशल प्रोविजन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द स्टेट ऑफ मणिपुर। आर्टिकल 371D स्पेशल प्रोविजन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द स्टेट ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश एंड तेलंगाना। आर्टिकल 371E एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी इन आंध्रा बैंक। आर्टिकल 371F स्पेशल प्रोविजन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द स्टेट ऑफ सिक्किम। आर्टिकल 371G स्पेशल प्रोविजन विद रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ द स्टेट ऑफ मिजोरम। आर्टिकल 371H प्रोविजन with respect to the state of Arunachal Pradesh। आर्टिकल 371I स्पेशल प्रोविजन with respect to the state of Goa। आर्टिकल 371I J स्पेशल प्रोविजन with respect to the state of Kerala। आर्टिकल 372 continuance in force existing laws and their adoption। आर्टिकल 372A power of the president of to adapt law। आर्टिकल 373 power of president to make order in respect to person under preventive detention in certain cases। आर्टिकल 374 provision as to judge to the federal court and proceeding pending in federal court or before his majesty in council। आर्टिकल 375 court authority and officers to continue to function and subject to provision of the constitution। आर्टिकल 376 प्रोविजन एज टू जज ऑफ हाई कोर्ट। आर्टिकल 377 प्रोविजन एज टू कंट्रोलर एंड ऑडिटर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया। आर्टिकल 378 प्रोविजन एज टू पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन। आर्टिकल 378A स्पेशल प्रोविजन एज टू ड्यूरेशन टू आंध्र प्रदेश लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली। आर्टिकल 379 ओमिटेड। आर्टिकल 392 पावर ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट टू रिमूव डिफिकल्टीज। पार्ट 22 शॉर्ट टाइटल कमेंसमेंट ऑथेंटिक टेक्स्ट इन हिंदी एंड रिपील्स। आर्टिकल 393 शॉर्ट टाइटल। आर्टिकल 394 कमेंसमेंट। आर्टिकल 394A ऑथेंटिक टेक्स्ट इन हिंदी लैंग्वेज। आर्टिकल 395 रिपील्स। तो ठीक है दोस्तों, आज मैंने ये इंग्लिश में वीडियो बनाया है। कल का वीडियो मैं आर्टिकल का हिंदी में अपलोड कर दूंगा। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।